Heard from these people here from a doctor in Greenville, Mississippi, and he highly recommended him and stuff. So he called and they got an appointment for me up here. And when I first came here, they treat people like they're kings and queens, and I really appreciate that. And the thing about it, and I had some real bad teeth. I got where I couldn't eat good stuff and all that. And then when he pulled all of them, it took a little while. But even with my other teeth, they were just nice. I ate steak, I ate corn on cob, I ate pecans, I ate everything with them. And I highly recommend anybody, and I told people about them, and one person came up here already, and I highly recommend anybody that wants to get their teeth done and all that, and to come here, and I still would recommend them anytime.